ahead of the elections in Tamil Nadu, DMDK and DMK have confirmed their alliance. DMDK's Premalatha Vijaykanth said that the decision was based on interest of the district secretaries, and this alliance should have formed back in 2016. This has formed 10 years later. She said that the committee would be formed to discuss upon seat sharing and candidates, and this is for the first time that the alliance has been formed with the DMK. Premalatha said that this alliance will win over 200 seats. It's coming in ahead of the elections in Tamil Nadu. A big update. The DMDK and the DMK have confirmed their alliance, and DMDK's Premalatha Vijaykanth said that the decision was based on interest of the district secretaries, and the alliance should have been formed back in 2016. Sharda, take us through the developments coming in. Give us a bit of background of the alliance which has now been formed between DMK and the DMDK. All right, Sharda, if you can hear me now, help us understand the developments coming in, because this is a big update given the elections in Tamil Nadu. The DMDK and the DMK have confirmed the alliance. What does this mean? And they are saying that they will be winning over 200 seats.
Go with the NDA or the India Alliance. And today it was very well made clear that the DMDK has chosen DMK in the form of alliance, which is in the history of Tamil Nadu in politics. DMDK for the first time joined DMK, and the DMK leader
Premalatha Vijaykanth speaking to us just few minutes back exclusively mentioned that it was the decision of the party cadres and the district secretaries, and that is the reason they have chosen this particular alliance and not gone to the NDA, which they have done in the past. But however, the BJP, who is the NDA lead in the country, has given the statement saying that they are dejected with what the DMK's decision has been taken. Putting out a tweet, the BJP Tamil Nadu has mentioned that Vijaykanth, who has always been against DMK, especially the ideology and the corruption that the DMK has done to the people of the Tamil Nadu, BJP Tamil Nadu has mentioned that the DMDK former leader Vijaykanth would not accept this decision if he was alive, and also mentioned that the DMDK's decision today would not be accepted by the people as well. However, DMDK leader now, the Premalatha Vijaykanth, stands strong, saying that the DMK was chosen in alliance for the upcoming elections, keeping in mind what the people of Tamil Nadu will require, what the party's future requires. In addition to that, also stated that it will be a two-lane fight, and that Vijay, just because sharing the name with Vijaykanth and starting the party from having an entertainment background, will not make him the leader in just a single day.
Right, Sharda, thank you for giving us the details. Let's also now... all right, let me go back to Sharda. Sharda, listen, at this point in time, what is the reaction coming in? What happens to the NDA? What do they have to say, if at all, given this alliance is coming after nearly 10 years, and the party says that they were supposed to be joining hands back in 2016. What happens to the NDA now?
Well, the NDA, which has been in alliance with the DMDK since 2016, what happened now is a huge shock coming. As we can see, the BJP Tamil Nadu reacting very strong on this, whereas the AIADMK leaders have been constantly in talk with Premalatha Vijaykanth for the last few months. However, the decision made today would have brought them down, saying that the ADMK might not make into alliance with DMK, brings in a huge question to the NDA alliance, because now all parties are formed, all parties, the regional stronger parties, which were willing in the past, which has seat sharing from the Tamil Nadu elections, have now made their alliance. As we can see that the India Alliance and the India Alliance have both become stronger. However, the question looming around the DMK continues whether this DMDK alliance with DMK has come in the time when there's a Congress tussle with the DMK, and DMDK is trying to come in as a stronger force, giving a helping hand to the DMK. And we remember, as we say, Premlata Vijaykanth mentioned how both the families, the Stalin family and Vijaykanth's family, have been friends for a very long time. So probably because of the Congress tussle with the DMK on power sharing and seat sharing in the upcoming elections, DMDK indirectly lending a hand to the DMK to show the power of the India alliance in the state of Tamil Nadu.
Right, Sharda, appreciate you join us with those details. Let's also now listen into that exclusive conversation my colleague Sharda had with Premlata.
Ma'am, today DMDK has announced its alliance with DMK. There's a lot of questions looming around this particular alliance that you have to form. And what is the main reason you joined DMK?
Reason behind this, all our DMDK district secretaries and the cadres liked this time we have to go alliance with DMK. Only that is the main reason I decided to go with DMK. Because you all know every day you are all coming here, they voted their opinion. That opinion poll, once I opened and saw, everyone wrote that everyone we have to go DMK this time alliance. So I take their decision as my decision. Their willing is my willing. So only because of that, all our party liked DMDK with DMK alliance. So that only the decision.
Ma'am, what are the demands of the DMDK? Because DMK will be forming their committee on 22nd, and what are the demands that our party would be keeping for the Rajya Sabha or the MLA seats? Any decisions made on that?
See, you all know what are all the possibilities the party will ask whenever we go for the alliance. So before that, everything is they accepted. Before they announce, if I announce, it won't be a right thing. So what I told there only, I am saying the CM of Tamil Nadu, Brother Stalin, only should say about the numbers and all the everything he have to announce. Before that, if I say that, it won't be nice.
One last question, ma'am. We know, as you mentioned, you said Vijaykanth has been very close with Karunanidhi, but however, over the past, this is history actually, DMDK going with DMK's history in the politics of Tamil Nadu. And how do you think you're going to face the people? Because all these years you have been with the AIADMK, and a sudden shift, how are you going to make sure that the people are going to accept this alliance that the DMK has formed?
See, everyone knows very well, more than 45 years, Captain and Kalaignar Ayya were very good friends. On his leadership only, our marriage also happened in 1990 at Madurai. So their family and our family very close for all the days. But once we came for the politics and the alliance, so many times they both spoke about that, but it didn't happen that time and all. So 2011 we first time allied with ADMK. After that, all the years DMK and DMDK were speaking about the alliance, but it not happened that time. So